A new wave of luxury is sweeping through the automotive world, and it isn't coming from the historic factories of Europe. While established giants like Land Rover and Mercedes-Benz have spent decades perfecting their craft, a bold newcomer from China is rewriting the rules of what an all-terrain luxury vehicle should be. The automotive landscape is currently witnessing a tectonic shift as manufacturers from the East move beyond mere imitation to genuine innovation. Among these visionary Chinese automakers stands Rox Motor, a tech-driven startup that has recently introduced a vehicle poised to challenge the status quo. This exceptional automobile, known as the Rox 01, is a masterclass in how to combine high-end engineering with a deep understanding of the modern family's lifestyle. In the world of high-end SUVs, names like the Range Rover Defender and the Mercedes G-Wagon have long held the crown for those who seek both prestige and power. However, Rox Motor decided it was time for a change. Founded in 2021 by Chang Jing, the visionary behind the vacuum giant Roborock, the company set out to build more than just a car. Their goal was to create a moving home for modern explorers, a vehicle that could handle the toughest deserts while providing the comfort of a private jet. To achieve this, they made a strategic move that mirrored the path of legendary brands. They looked to Italy for design inspiration. The Rox 01 was sculpted by the world-renowned Pininfarina studio, the same hands that have shaped some of the most beautiful Ferraris in history. This infusion of Italian soul into Chinese technology has created a vehicle that doesn't just perform, it makes a definitive statement. At first glance, the Rox 01 commands immediate respect. Measuring nearly 5.3 meters in length, it shares a similar footprint to the iconic Land Rover Defender 130, but it presents a more sophisticated aesthetic. The front fascia is dominated by a massive rectangular grille and signature LED headlights shaped like the Chinese character for stone, a nod to the car's rugged identity. The silhouette is muscular yet streamlined, featuring flush door handles and a clean T-motif in the lighting that gives it a futuristic, spaceship-like appearance from the rear. It is a design that manages to look at home both in the high-end shopping districts of Dubai and on the steep dunes of a safari trail. While the exterior is built for the wild, the interior is designed for the elite. Stepping into the Rox 01 is like entering a first-class airline lounge. The cabin is a sanctuary of premium leather and high-tech convenience, available in both 6-seat and 7-seat configurations. In the 6-seat version, the second row features zero-gravity aviation seats. These aren't just chairs. They are relaxation hubs equipped with 8-point massage systems, 3-stage heating and cooling. For passengers in the back, a massive 15.6-inch ceiling-mounted screen drops down, turning the car into a mobile theater. The driver is greeted by a 15.7-inch central touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital cluster, all powered by an intelligent AI system that makes traditional infotainment look like a relic of the past. One of the most significant factors that sets the Rox 01 apart from its competitors is its revolutionary powertrain. Unlike traditional hybrids or pure electric vehicles that often suffer from range anxiety during long expeditions, the Rox 01 uses an extended-range electric vehicle system. This setup features a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that acts solely as a high-efficiency generator, feeding a massive 56 kWh battery from CATL. Two powerful electric motors drive the wheels, producing a combined 476 horsepower and 740 Nm of torque. This allows the heavy SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.5 seconds. More importantly, it offers a pure electric range of 235 kilometers and a staggering combined range of over 1,115 kilometers, ensuring that you can reach the furthest corners of the wilderness without ever worrying about a charging station. Rox Motor realized that luxury today is no longer just about expensive materials. It is about the experiences the vehicle enables. The Rox 01 is perhaps the most outdoors-ready luxury vehicle ever built, featuring a unique camping mode where the rear seats fold perfectly flat to create a king-size bed. But the real masterpiece of innovation is the integrated outdoor kitchen. The rear tailgate opens to reveal a built-in water dispenser that can heat water in seconds, an induction cooktop, and dedicated storage for utensils. It even features a 2.2 kW power outlet to run appliances, meaning you can brew a fresh espresso or charge your laptop in the middle of a forest. This level of thoughtfulness is what makes the Rox Air 1 a true lifestyle companion rather than just a mode of transport. The first remarkable advantage that the Rox Air 1 holds over established European rivals is its astonishing affordability. A brand new, fully loaded Range Rover or Mercedes G-Class can easily command a price tag exceeding $150,000. Astonishingly, for the cost of one such European luxury SUV, you could acquire two Rox 01 vehicles and still have a significant budget left for travel. This competitive pricing is a wake-up call for the global automotive industry. It forces a realization that the traditional luxury tax is being challenged by high-quality, high-tech alternatives that offer more features for half the price. The Rox Air 1 starts at a competitive point that makes top-tier luxury accessible to a much wider audience of adventurers and families. Safety and durability have also been prioritized to ensure this vehicle survives the same rigors as a military-grade off-roader. The Rox Air 1 features a high-strength body where over 87% is made from high-strength steel, earning it a 5-star safety rating. Its roof can withstand immense pressure, providing peace of mind during off-road excursions or in the event of a rollover. Furthermore, the car is equipped with advanced sensor technology, including 5mm wave radars and 12 ultrasonic sensors, enabling a level of autonomous driving and obstacle detection that rivals the most advanced electric cars on the market today. It is a vehicle designed to protect its occupants as much as it is designed to pamper them. As we look toward the future of the automotive industry, the presence of the Rox Air 1 signifies a new era. Chinese manufacturers are no longer just participating in the market. They are leading it with bold designs and practical innovations that Western brands have been slow to adopt. The Rox Air 1 isn't just a car, it's a signal. It tells us that the era of paying for a badge is ending, and the era of paying for performance, range, and versatility is beginning. With its Italian design, cutting-edge range extender technology, and an interior that rivals private jets, the Rox Air 1 is no longer just a Chinese alternative. It is the new standard for the modern era. In summary, the Rox 01 represents a perfect fusion of form and function. It takes the rugged, boxy appeal of a traditional off-roader and infuses it with the digital intelligence of a smartphone. It provides the luxury of a limousine and the utility of a camper van. By recruiting the best designers in the world and leveraging the most advanced battery technology, Rox Motor has created a vehicle that is not just a competitor to the greats, but a successor to them. Whether you are navigating the high-tech streets of a modern metropolis or exploring the rugged terrains of the world's great deserts, the Rox Air 1 proves that you don't need to choose between luxury and capability. You can have both, and you can have them in a package that is as smart as it is beautiful. Moving forward, the success of the Rox Air 1 in international markets like the Middle East and Southeast Asia suggests that the world is ready for this change. We are seeing these vehicles added to prestigious fleets and used by families who formerly only considered European brands. The manufacturing process, the strategic partnerships with companies like Bosch and KATL, and the relentless focus on the user experience have all converged to create a product that is truly world-class. As more people experience the zero-gravity seats and the convenience of a mobile kitchen, the reputation of Chinese luxury will only continue to grow. The Rox Air 1 is leading that charge, 1 kilometer at a time. Ultimately, the shift we are seeing is about more than just a single car. It is about the democratization of high-end automotive technology. Features that were once reserved for the ultra-wealthy are now being integrated into vehicles that are designed for real-world use. The Rox Air 1 stands at the pinnacle of this movement. It offers a glimpse into a future where our vehicles are not just tools to get from point A to point B, but are integral parts of our adventures and our homes. It is a bold, brave, and brilliant machine that deserves its place among the legends of the road. As the production of the Rox 01 continues to scale and new models like the Rox GT are teased, the message to the automotive world is clear. The new kings of the road have arrived. They are electric, they are intelligent, and they are ready for anything.